everybody, it's me, Madison. So today we have another Boujee on a budget video, and that's my mom right there. Say hi. So here's the box, and this is an Instagram seller, and if you want to know like information about the Instagram seller, that's all going to be on my Instagram page, so you should go follow me at MissClo12.
Just find the picture of this bag on Instagram and it'll have all the information.
So yeah, let's unbox this.
So this is how we got it in the mail, and as you can tell, the box didn't survive very well. I did contact the seller about it, and they said they'll probably start taping the bags better, or taping the box better. So when you get it, comes in a plastic bag. And I had it in between two foam pieces. And it does come with the dust bag, which is pretty decent, cotton. And that's, you can tell there's the handle. So this is the Artsy and the Empreinte leather in black. There's the handle. Can you smell?
Yeah.
What does it smell like?
Leather.
So it is real leather. And the infamous tape.
It sticks to you better.
So here is the bottom. It does have that cross, the X on the bottom. And it has little feet that has Louis Vuitton on it. Oh my god! That's so gross. And it does come with the little fob there and the little where you can hang your keys if you wanted to. And it is wrapped up like with saran wrap or something. So let's take this off. I can't believe you did that to me.
I didn't make you.
You're very difficult to work with.
So we finally got all the blue tape pulled off, and what it seems like they did was like, what? Like,
It's the blue tape got stuck underneath the hardware, so now there's blue tape underneath it that we're having a hard time coming off. But anyway, right here you can see it's stamped with Louis Vuitton on both sides. The back has Louis Vuitton.
Louis Vuitton on the key thing. It has Louis Vuitton on the key thing, and then the top is like braided.
Like braided leather. What the Artsy is known for.
There's a little, and then inside of that. Ooh, it's gray.
So it's show them inside.
So there's some on the gel.
So this is,
You
can tell.
Can't see here.
That is what the inside of the bag looks like. Like a gray.
Like a light gray.
No, is it gray?
Yeah. Like a light gray.
And it's got 3 pockets on one side, 3 pockets on the other side, and then you have a zipper pocket right there. Like that. So it does come with the usual
Cards.
pamphlet thing that nobody really cares about. And inside you have, if I can get it, has the D-ring.
Oh, wait, I want to see.
Let me pull this out. You can see the color better.
Oh, that's going to mess it up.
So that's the color of the inside of the bag. And it's very thick.
It is thick. It's like me.
But let's see if it has a date code. What would the date code be?
Oh, it says Louis Vuitton on the ring.
Show them.
On the ring, it spells out Louis Vuitton.
Date code.
How's y'all's weekend? I don't know. It's hot in Texas, and I'm gonna go swimming.
Not hot.
Yes, it is. It's
only
hot.
80 degrees.
The water's like 70. So.
And she's been sick all week.
I'm still gonna go swimming.
She's been sick.
The water's not cold.
She didn't go to school for a week.
For 4 days. Not a week. I went on Monday. I went on Monday.
I'm still looking for the date code. I know it has one somewhere.
And
found it.
I made a new vlogging channel. Y'all should go follow me.
So here's the date code. It's in one of those 3 pockets. And oh goodness. Anyway, let me pull it out. There's the date code. And let's see if Madison can read it.
That says 6R SR SRO or SR0168.
So this is SR. Anyway, so that does have a date code.
Okay, but y'all should go follow me at Madison's Vlogs. And I'm gonna be uploading on there real soon, like today, or no, like more like tomorrow. I'm gonna upload tomorrow after
So, let's see.
5 or at
There is
5.
the side of the bag. The other side. This is a lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. This is like a big bag.
It is a big bag.
And it's very heavy.
I don't like how it handles so short.
It's like a shoulder bag.
Yeah.
But it's a lot heavier than I thought it would be
It
too.
is heavy. Is it
I mean,
supposed to be
there's
like
nothing
that?
in it, and
No.
it's heavy. So
Or just
I
weak.
do like the print though. I do like the Empreinte leather.
Yeah, I like the black.
We haven't done anything to the bag or anything. So let's just unboxed it. So it does have a little sheen to it. But I really like. I might have to check into some more bags that have this type of print and leather.
I want to get one of those pink and red bags.
There is
The white. Oh, hi, Milo. Oh, and we're in my room right now. Oh, you guys want to see Milo? Milo, come here.
But the hardware is real nice. It's not cheap. It's very, very nice. I think it might
Let Milo
be
smell it.
a little too yellow goldish.
Yeah.
I think that might be one
Let
issue.
Milo smell it.
You wanna smell?
So this is Milo. This is my dog. He's a Pomeranian. He's 2 years old. And he's really annoying.
But
He's yawning up.
But I really like how the quality of the bag is really good. I mean, like, really surprisingly good. So I would
Why is it purple?
definitely recommend the seller on Instagram. But this is a really good quality bag. It's real leather. I mean, this is really.
You know what this bag reminds
really
me of? Like the shape of it? Like, you know how they used to put like dogs in bags, like little chihuahuas? That's like the shape of the bag.
But this is a really heavy bag. I mean, I'm like, this is heavy.
It is heavy.
But overall, I mean, it's a really pretty bag. See if I get better shots of it.
We'll probably insert pictures. Like
Yeah,
better
we'll definitely have pictures. But the hardware and the braid on this is very pretty.
There's like a one bump.
Very pretty.
I like your whiskers, Milo.
But yeah, we'll have better shots. And you know, the more you use it, the more flexible the handle gets.
Yeah, it's really
kind of
tight.
stiff right now. But other than that, I mean, it's a really, really pretty bag. I'll put my phone in here, y'all can see it. But yeah, it's like a big dark hole in there. So I guess, do they have like bag shapers for this? I don't know. But hello, Milo. But yeah, it's a really pretty bag. That's what it looks like inside with my phone in there. Lots and lots of room. I mean, this. I can probably fit my dog in this bag.
You want to try?
How big it is? No.
Let's try.
No.
Why?
But yeah, that's the bag.
Wait, then you see Milo. Look at him. He just came up and.
This is my dog. He just plopped right there in front of me. See, this is what happens when you try to film with dogs in the house. But yeah. Oh, and I don't know if I showed you. It has these on the zipper pocket. It has a little leather tabs right there on both sides. Oh, still has plastic on the zipper. Ooh. Zipper pull. It has a little saran wrap on it. But everything is stamped. That's what I call it, saran wrap. But everything is stamped where it's supposed to be, I believe, with the hardware. And
it matches his whisker.
Like, yeah, just overall, really good bag. Really good bag. So we'll put pictures at the end. And definitely go check out our Instagram page, Miss Clipper 12. We'll have more pictures of this purse. And keep scrolling through the pictures, and the last one will be the information of the seller. So yeah. So Madison, you've seen this bag. Out of 1 out of 10, what would you give it?
A 10.
Definitely check them out.
Oh, so this is my mom, if y'all are wondering.
Hi, and if you're wondering why I'm not showing my face,
or both of us are not showing our face,
I'm too old to have my face on the video, so.
I'm not wearing makeup.
So if you enjoy us doing this video together and you want more videos like this of unboxing bags or reviewing bags, leave it in the comment below.
Or story time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see y'all next time on Miss Clipper 12. Bye!
Bye!
Bye!